Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create calendar events in Dola AI in 2026. First, open Dola AI and make sure your preferred calendar is connected. Once your calendar is connected, you can create a new event simply by describing what you want in a natural language message. For example, you can type, "Create a dentist appointment for tomorrow at 11 a.m." Dola can understand the event name, date, and time from your message and prepare the calendar event. You can also include more details in the same message. For example, you could say, "Create a team meeting on Friday at 3 p.m. for 1 hour." This gives Dola the meeting title, date, start time, and duration in a single request. After Dola processes your message, carefully review the event information before confirming it. Check the date, time, duration, and event details to make sure everything is correct. If you make a mistake, you can usually send another message to adjust the information. For example, you can say, "Change the meeting to 4 p.m." or "Move this event to Monday." This can be much easier than manually editing every calendar field. You can also create events for personal activities, work appointments, classes, reminders, or other important plans.